So, just what is project-based learning? Well, at the community school, rather than scheduling 6 classes into individual subjects where students take tests on abstract skills they might one day apply to the real world, maybe, we put the real world first. Students encounter a problem or opportunity within our community. Then they dig into it, learning from many different resources, including community experts, acquiring deep learning and skills that really matter. These experiences impart confidence. They learn social skills, public speaking, and collaboration. At TCS, we're not writing essays. We're writing emails to legislators, company leaders, and newspapers. We're not drilling math problems. We're leveraging mathematical thinking to solve complex problems, math that has direct application to the real world. Let's take our project named Net Zero as an example. This authentic problem involved technical writing, collaboration, and public speaking, all the while learning about energy efficiency and carbon neutrality. The project facilitators began by reaching out to our community for partners. This time, Avista, the Sinto Senior Center, and Senegreen stepped up. Working with these organizations, teachers from many disciplines build the project in full before the quarter begins. When the project is launched to students, they encounter the driving question: how can we apply an understanding of energy to help our community achieve its carbon neutral goal? As they explore this question, they will encounter a variety of benchmarks or goals along the way. In this one, the work begins at the theoretical level. They research carbon, what it is, why we burn it, what it's doing to our planet, and what being carbon neutral means. They turn that research into a position on how Spokane should pursue its goal, and they defend it in a live debate. Next, students leave research land, and they apply Faraday's law to build hand crank generators. They analyze how kinetic energy becomes electricity, which means they must grapple with forms of energy, units of energy, transfer of energy, the scientific idea of power and electricity. With that foundation, they take a trip downtown to compare their generators to the ones they have at Avista. Turns out Avista's were better. With these intellectual tools in place, they're ready to use actual tools like infrared sensors and lux meters in an actual building, in this case, the nearby Sinto Senior Center. There, the founder of Senegreen, a professional energy auditing company, teaches students how to measure the energy efficiency of the building. And now we have an opportunity, because students have the theoretical knowledge, the practical skills, the tools, and the training to do some actual good. To complete the project, each student team contacts a local nonprofit, secures their partnership, then they conduct an energy audit of the nonprofit's building. Students compile their findings and improvement recommendations into a technical report, which is delivered to the organization along with our thanks. And that's how it's done. And that's just one example. An idea becomes a question becomes benchmarks. Benchmarks become products that are interdisciplinary and connected to the real world. And all of it leading to learning that is engaging, deep, messy, and above all, authentic. TCS, do something that matters.